In this video, I will show you how to join Pocket Option affiliate program. First of all, you need to sign up on Pocket Option. If you don't have an account, I will leave my link in the description. You can use my affiliate link for the registration. So when you sign up, then you need to verify your account. Just click your profile in the top right, go to profile, and right here you need to enter your account details. Then you need to verify your identity. This will take a few seconds, and after that you will see this kind of button on the left hand side menu, Pocket Friends. You need to click on this. So this is the referral program. You are automatically joined to this program. You don't need to apply. You can click this button right here, get your link, and right here will be your referral link. Also, you have got referral promo code, and if someone registers using this link, you will get the referral on Pocket Option, and you get the bonus when your invited friend makes a deposit of at least $10 and achieves a trading turnover of 15 times that amount. Both of you will receive trading bonuses, guys. So guys, if you are planning to create an account on Pocket Option, you can use my affiliate link, which will be in the description or in the comment section. So that's how you can join their program. Right here, we'll see your referral list. And on the left side, you will see your stats. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.